Hello, here's a quick video on how to use Bulk Email Checker, which is one of my favorite email checker softwares out there. Um, so once you log into your account, assuming you've purchased your credits, which will be up here in the top right hand corner, you can drop lists or individual emails to check them. So my favorite use is the bulk verify. So if I just go over here to bulk verify, I can go to import a file on the right hand side. So you'll want to make sure that your file is in CSV format. It doesn't accept other ones. So you'll want to choose the file. And then if your file has more than if your file has more than one column, like it's got the name, or you've exported it from like D7 or Apollo or any of those others, they usually come with multiple other columns. So I usually end up clicking this. File contains multiple columns. And then I hit the upload. So what's going to happen is it's going to upload the file first. There is going to be there's going to be an option here that tells you to refresh the status. This is the only sort of issue that I have with this tool, is that you have to like manually check it. So I would just leave this window open while you're checking it. So I'm just going to upload a quick file and then I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so I've uploaded a file called demo list, and now you see that there's like this green check status button. So after a couple of minutes of uploading this, you'll want to hit this, and then it will give you it'll update this if there's any new information. What it's doing is it's scanning the file to see how many emails are in the file, and then it will give you a cost associated with how much you want to pay to validate this email list. One cost is going to be lower and one's going to be higher, and it's going to be based on time. So always select the lower one is my recommendation, unless you're in a massive hurry. But I never am much in a hurry. So just select the lower one. You don't need to boost it or anything. It's basically just like confirming you want to spend the credits on cleaning that file. Here it is. So you're going to select we're going to select the email column here. There it is. It's kind of identified a few, but you'll know best. Then you want to hit select, and it's going to go back into scanning that column. So yeah, then you'll get the option to select your credits to purchase. And then you'll end up only paying for the ones that were actually cleaned. So don't worry if it says like it's a lot. It usually comes in a little bit under that, as you can see. So yeah, so that's it. When it's done, hit the export button, and it will only export the clean emails that passed. That's it for this quick tutorial. Thank you.